Welcome to a study in restraint, rhythm, and structural elegance. In modern floral competition, the linear design challenge demands more than just beauty. It requires precision, intentionality, and a deep understanding of negative space. Today, we examine how to craft a striking linear composition designed to capture the judge's attention. Sustainability is key to contemporary design excellence. This arrangement relies entirely on foam-free mechanics. By utilizing a heavy metal kenzan paired with a custom reusable wire armature inside a low ceramic vessel, we ensure complete stem stability and water access. Eliminating floral foam not only protects our environment, but also gives the stems maximum freedom to express their natural movement. We begin by establishing the primary line, the dominant axis of our design. Notice how the tall, singular stems draw the eye upward, establishing scale and strong architectural form. In a linear arrangement, every single element must serve a purpose. There is no background filler here. Every stem counts. Next, we anchor the composition at the base with high-impact focal blooms. Placed low to ground the line, these bold forms create dynamic visual weight. Equally important is the negative space, the empty areas surrounding the stems, which allows the silhouette to breathe and gives the arrangement its modern, gallery-worthy tension. The completed design is a seamless interplay of line, form, and open space. Clean and powerful, it stands ready for competition evaluation.